Good morning, dear students. We are discussing English literature of class 6. I repeat, we are discussing English literature of class 6. In the last class, we had been studying lesson 9 about Abraham Lincoln. So today we will continue the same chapter. So we had finished up to this paragraph. Today we will study from here onwards. So spending long hours on his own meant that Abraham created imaginary friends and foes for himself as he roamed in the forest. Abraham also gained in physical strength, learning to climb, run swiftly, leap over long distances, and carry heavy branches home for firewood. So what happened here about Abraham Lincoln is written. Okay, spending long hours on his own meant that Abraham created imaginary friends and foes for himself as he roamed in the forest. So Abraham did not have any friends to play with him. So what he used to do, he used to play alone in the forest. And in his mind, he could imagine making friends and having some foes, means enemies, having some friends and having some enemies or foes himself as he roamed in the forest. Then Abraham also gained physical strength. Okay, so Abraham also gained physical strength, physical energy. Learning to climb, he used to climb the trees. He learned how to climb the trees. Run swiftly, he used to run very fast. Then leap over long distances, and he used to make jump from long distance. Then and carry heavy branches for home for firewood. And also when he was returning from the jungle, from the forest, he used to bring heavy woods or more woods for making fire. Then his first brush with education was through a tutor named Zachariah Rinne, who taught a small group of children from the pioneer's family. So how did he was educated, or how he learned his studies? So his first teacher was named Zachariah Rinne. Okay, he taught him first, who taught a small group of children. This teacher, Zachariah Rinne, he was teaching the small group of children from the pioneer's family, from the very well-known family children. And that also near the Lincoln's cabin. Okay, near the Lincoln's cabin. So this teacher was teaching or taking tuition just close to Abraham Lincoln's house. The next teacher was Caleb Hazel. Okay, next teacher he was Caleb Hazel, whom they had to travel 4 miles to meet. There was sometimes a gap of weeks and even months between one set of lessons and the next. So what was happening? This Caleb Hazel, next teacher, he was remaining far from Abraham's house, and it was about 4 miles, 4 kilometers to meet him. If you have to study, he has to go 4 kilometers to study. There was sometimes a gap, and sometimes because of some reasons, because of some trouble or some problem, he was not able to go for classes or go for tuition. Like 1 week he will not go, or 1 month he was also not able to go and complete his lessons. Then in the autumn of 1816, when Abraham was just 7 and his sister Sarah 9, Thomas Lincoln decided to move with his family to a forest near Pigeon Creek. So when Thomas was how many years? Abraham was 7 years and his sister was 9 years old, and it was 1816. In the year 1816, in the autumn season, they went to another place that is called Pigeon Creek. And Thomas Lincoln decided, means Thomas Lincoln was Abraham's father. He decided to go to another place, that is Pigeon Creek. The family made the journey over several nights and days. They arrived to set up their home in a heavily wooded spot. So it took them so long time. To reach to that place. The family made a journey over several nights and days. They had to work during the day and during the nights also to reach to this Pigeon Creek. And what did they do? They arrived up their home in a heavily wooded spot, and they built their house in the middle of the forest. It was already late autumn and they had to build a shelter as soon as possible. So autumn was about to finish and winter was about to come. So if the winter come and they do not have house, how can they manage? So they wanted to build their house first as soon as possible. Against the approaching frost, Thomas Lincoln used his carpentry skills to quickly put up a camp. He later began work on a cabin. So what did his father do? Abraham Lincoln's father, Thomas Lincoln, he was a carpenter. So he used his carpentry skills and he began to make the house very quickly. Then he later began work on a cabin. After making the house, he started to work in a cabin. Then 7 years old Abraham helped his father with all the heavy work. So Abraham was only 7 years old and he helped his father in making the house, in building the house, involved in making the cabin. An unusually large and strong child, he learned early how to wield the axe. This boy was very strong and he wanted to learn new things. So when he was only 7 years old, that time he learned how to use the axe, how to work with axe he had already learned.